What is up, everybody? Hold on, I'm just making sure we're good. Okay, seems legit. Seems fucking... Oh my god. Everything's good. So, alright, sorry, I just needed a second to realize what was happening. Okay, so welcome to the SynthEdit live stream. So, here's my plugin that we've been working on. So, last time you saw it, it was not looking like this. So, what did I add? Kind of. I didn't actually add it, okay? Because if we look at the schematic, I mean, it looks very confusing. I'm genuinely lost. So the goal for this episode is we're just gonna mess around with purely the GUI. We're not gonna be connecting much things together to make it working as a synth. This is kind of just like fun visual type stuff, get it laid out, and just show you kind of my process behind things, because yeah, there's just not a ton of info or whatever. So let me make sure everything is running good though. I'm a little concerned. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay, there we go. Alright, so before I left, because I just got back home, I just added this little oscillator. So this is the Elena Shape Editor 5. There's a couple different shape editors that she has. Like there's a number 6, and then there's like compact versions that just have basically less features, but I chose this one because as you can see there's these ARGB things. So I basically just connected that to my colorway system, and when you change the color, okay, fuck. Let me move that to the front. Okay, we'll fix it later, but long story short, now it's color reactive. So that's a nice little feature we have. And then next up, I added this shape for the filter. So let's go to the SynthEdit. Actually, shit, I was gonna leak some stuff right now, but we're not gonna do that. But I asked Davidson, hold up, Concat. I was asking for help from Max and Davidson. They're freaking lit people. But yeah, Davidson made this filter module. I don't know how to connect it yet though. That's why I just have the visuals planned out. And thankfully, he added the ARGB customization, so that's also color reactive right now. I do have a little beer for the night, by the way, so cheers, and some smokes. But yeah, right now I was doing a lot of philosophizing about this plugin, and I was thinking about what I wanted in my dream synth, because this right here, if you guys don't know, Companion Synth is supposed to be my new flagship synthesizer. Basically just a serum competitor, like a plugin that can do pretty much anything you want in terms of sound. Like it's not super stylized like my other plugins. It's kind of just like you want to make anything you need, this is the synth you're gonna go to. That's kind of the purpose. So I was thinking about my dream plugin and what I wanted, and I definitely want it all to be visual based, I'm pretty sure. Like I do love knobs, but I kinda like drawing stuff in more. Like, isn't this moving this filter faster than knobs? You know what I mean? So right now we're gonna add an ADSR. So ADSR, if you just search it, you're not really gonna see anything good that comes up in SynthEdit. We have the community module version. This is the best one in my opinion, but it's kind of buggy. The only reason it's better than the normal ADSR is because you have the curves. And I think curves are super important with ADSRs, and that's another reason why I didn't want to just use the basic ADSR sliders, because we don't get that little curvature in our noises if we want that. So now we're gonna go to Elena. Let's look up, what is it, shape? Is it shape editor? Shit. Shape envelope, here we go. Let's go. So how does this work? I really do not know. Please tell, oh, she has an example, thank goodness. Does it work though? Is this broken? Don't tell me this is broken right now. No. What the bleep is actually happening? Well, we're gonna try to get it working. If we can't figure it out within a reasonable time frame, then I'm just gonna abandon ship here. What if we plug this into the shape? Alright, what is this exactly? So we got the patch memory blobs. This is like saving data. Does that affect anything? I mean, we can just use it as a regular slider. And now what will these knobs? Not sure what those are even for. But the shape editor, does this even work differently? It's not even an envelope. Hopefully attach this. So yeah, I'm sorry if you guys are getting annoyed though about me not knowing exactly everything happening, but that's kind of the point a little bit. So you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Oh man, I kind of want to test something out right now, because I really want to figure out how it works. But you see this shape envelope, it looks like it takes in a shape, but it doesn't actually create the shape. So I'm pretty sure this, we're just going to have a normal shape generator, and then we're going to link it. We can link the value there, no. Link this. Okay, interesting. But at least I'm pretty sure we can get this shape working out, because this module right here works as an oscillator. It's not an envelope. They're two different things completely, because oscillators are consistently running. So you can use it as a shape for volume, let's say, but it doesn't have like a duration, I guess you could say. I mean, you could technically make something like that with an LFO, which this basically is. So yeah, now we know how it works. Let me show you how a typical ADSR module looks again. So yeah, you basically just put your thing in, and it has the same little things basically. The gate is what triggers when you hit the MIDI, so you have to connect that from your oscillator or whatever. So that's key important thing. And then the overall level, I'm pretty sure that's just a knob that will decide how much mix it has. So we'll test that out in a little bit. Right now we can just copy paste this shape basically, since it's gonna do the same exact thing. And let's see where it is. I'm just gonna move all the modules I'm not using right now down, out, away, so that they're not distracting. We're gonna link our colorways again. So SynthEdit developer Jeff McClintock, the owner of SynthEdit, he adds a lot of good updates, but if you're watching right now, please give us wireless connections, because you guys see how crazy this is right now with all these lines. Like in Flowstone, let me show you. I'm just gonna show you the workflow differences. Look how sick Flowstone is, by the way. I haven't used it in a while, but damn, it's nice. Will it even work? Oh yeah, here we go. Damn, I haven't seen growl filter in a minute. I miss this program. Forgot how to use it though. There's definitely still a lot of wired connections, but these wireless ones just help so much with clearing up space, because they work by using the name. But yeah, this plugin is really complicated, but I forgot I put this here. But yeah, SynthEdit, oh man. When you have a big project, look how disgustingly bloated this is for the colorway system. Okay. Jeez, now I forgot how to use this program. Okay, but anyways. Let me copy exactly the connections I did. So I put color medium somewhere. Jesus, I literally can't even see what I did. Color dark, medium. Let me make sure the stream audio is good. I'll turn the music up. That's better. We're vibing tonight though. I miss being in SynthEdit. I just got really inspired because I was so sick of using Serum. Well, let me make sure it's good. You can't even hear the freaking music. Oh yeah, you can barely. Okay. Let me reconnect all these. So we got print background light connected to background light connected to fill gradient. I'm just gonna experiment at this point. Fuck it. Nope. Okay, we're not gonna experiment. Why? I didn't want to make different colors though, but what we can do to differentiate between them is somewhere here. Here we go. Circular nodes, disable. ADSRs to me, they always have square nodes, so we'll keep that. Okay, I need shape ARGB though. That one I know is color medium. Boom. Okay, and then we need the top gradient. So that'd be fill gradient 1. That's supposed to be a dark color. I think I did color medium there. Let's see. Alright, yeah, it looks the same as the other one now. So, pretty simple. Are you serious? I don't have fucking ads on this. Let me see how it looks now. Seems legit. I still have to add the curve feature though, so that people can actually make fucking curves. Where did I put it on here? And then you just drag this to here, this to here. We're gonna perfect it another time, okay? But again, right now we're just kind of placing stuff where we want, just showing the process. I need to... Oh man, this is gonna be bad. Am I allowed to, like, active node? I'm trying to see how much customization I can choose. Because I don't want people to have more than 4. That doesn't do anything. I think I need to get rid of the minimums too. Wait, what the fuck? Because it can't go negative either. ADSRs don't go negative. 0, 5. That's not fucking working. Okay, it is working. I need to get rid of the grid though. Middle grid line. I just put a bullshit hex code. Oh no, 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 no. Baseline 0. That doesn't work. Baseline -5. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Y minimum 0. -5. Okay. Then Y max 5. Alright, I think we got it working now. Real-time problem solving. Curve 1. Alright, fuck yeah. That is beautiful. I'm so happy. I don't know how I actually figured that out so quick. I kind of like not having a grid though. That grid's kind of ugly. Nah, you need it for the fucking... For the oscillator, you need the grid line, I think. For sure. But yeah, we already got our ADSR working good. LFO working. Now we're gonna... Okay, no, I didn't mean LFO, I mean filter. So we got oscillator right here, filter here, envelope. Now we're gonna do our LFO. So basically same thing again. We're gonna copy paste it because you could do a non-visual LFO, but it's just not gonna hit the same. And the way we're gonna make it different, instead of doing the square, we're gonna do an unfilled circle. So like an actual O. And then what's this thickness? What if we put 4? Okay, that looks weird. 6. Does it go outward thickness? Outward thickness? Let's do 5. Okay. No, I just ruined it. I'm just experimenting, trying to get something cool looking. 3. Looks a little better. This thing needs the same LFO thing. Alright, perfect. And what I'm gonna do right now is just save a quick little backup 11. I always save these backups for SynthEdit because maybe you accidentally save your project, your main project, and it's like you deleted something without realizing. I like to have backups just in case. And let's just connect the colors again real quick just to get the stress over with. And again, this is another reason why wireless modules are good sometimes, because I could have just had a wireless 1, 2, 3, 4 connected here, and then I could just copy paste it over, but nope, I gotta drag it manually from here with all these other fucking maze of connections. Why are these green? Okay, click this. Oh my god, it just hurt. Like, you see how stressed I'm getting out just by looking at this. Okay, color medium, we're gonna do it here. Color dark there. Gradient 1. Gradient 2. And then we need color on the shape, the main line. Now let's look at it. So we're back on track already. I think they're differentiated enough, but we're definitely gonna label it and add proper, you know, GUI in a sec. Also, if you're wondering what else I added, I did add this little keyboard module. I'm using Roy Tech keyboard for now, but I did ask Max about it because I had this problem where if you have commas inside a certain thing, it'll interpret it as like a next choice. It's hard to explain, but long story short, the colorway system isn't working because they use RGB instead of ARGB. If there's any SynthEdit devs watching this stream, always use ARGB. That's the standard, okay? It's FF. See, like EEF 3FA, that's not gonna work. But if you put an FF before, now it works, because that's how ARGB is. ARGB is best because you can have opacity and any color you want. So that's our standard. Not RGB, not hex codes. ARGB. Anyways, I'm trying to figure out if I like this LFO or not. It looks so pixelated, but that's the only option I got right now, okay? So get over it. Having the open dots though definitely to me differentiates it enough. Just trying to think, how big should I make this? The sizing. Looks a little big already. Oh my god. Okay, let me save on top of that old backup again real quick. Okay, because I'm about to do some fucking major changes right now. We're just gonna copy this over. I don't need a button yet. Alright, print text. So we're gonna do print, connect that to font ARGB. This text, we're gonna change it to oscillator. Actually, we're just gonna put OSC. I'm not about to have people read out that whole fucking word. We're gonna put that here. Size, we'll do 10. Looks tiny. 12. Normal. I think that's the same size. Works for me. Do I bolden it though? No, we're not gonna bold it. Medium better though. Same fucking thing. Whatever. So we're just gonna do the basic fucking things and then maybe we'll get more complex. We got oscillator. Envelope. Actually, we can just put ADSR. I'm gonna have 4 envelopes for the ADSR, so let me just explain real quick what I'm doing. So I'm gonna, oh shit, make the text labels, and then I want to do like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then when you click on each, it'll take you to that box or whatever. So we're gonna have 2 oscillators, 4 envelopes, 2 filters. And this project's gonna get messy, by the way, so we're not gonna worry about organizing it. We're in our prototype stage right now. We're just trying to get work done. We got ADSR filter. Boom. And then lastly, we got LFO. I love that term, LFO. It's like UFO. Alright, so we're already looking way better. And real quick, I want to show you guys. So yeah, this button right here automatically chooses shapes. I'm gonna change these buttons soon. All these buttons right here are, oh my goodness, I do not want these fucking ads right now. I'm just waiting for it to fucking end. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I'm gonna replace these buttons next time you see it, hopefully, so it all is gonna fit the vibe. I'm waiting on Davidson to release his freaking oscillator module already. Because I don't know if you guys have even... I need to find this. Look at Davidson's oscillator that he made in SynthEdit. I've been begging for this for so long. Look how insane this is. Literally the best fucking... Oh yeah, and I asked Jeff McClintock about blurs and drop shadows, and this is what he sent. So SynthEdit definitely has some potential on the come up. If you want to know my opinion though, I think Jeff McClintock should make SynthEdit free and then sell updates or sell something, prefabs, I don't fucking know, but I just think if more people could use SynthEdit, it would be more popular. It's kind of hard to get into, I feel like, even though there is a demo, but it's not, no one wants to use a demo for something as important as a plugin. But anyways, I'm just trying to consider the spacings right now because I feel like something's off here. I'm gonna move this box, move this background. Oh dang. There we go. Looks so weird without the background. What is that? Just nothing. I'm deleting that shit. Okay. Why is this? Why is that so fucking deep? It's not that. Look how big this, look how much space is taking up. What the fuck? It doesn't say. Great, it fucking crashed. Typical SynthEdit. Alright, and it didn't even fucking save where I left off. That's nice. Yeah, what do you guys think of the rough layout? Oh shit, I haven't checked the chat this whole fucking time. I feel terrible. What up? What up, You're my #1 fan, thank you. Delete that. I'm so fucking gonna lose it right now. Why is this taking a massive amount of space? Oh, I know what it is. So if it's not in here, it's gonna be in a different container. Probably in here, right? Nope. In here? What is this? Delete. Oh fuck. Okay, don't judge me right now. I have to relaunch it because... Oh, you're Matej? What the fuck? What up, dog? I literally thought you were a stranger. I just deleted the... Or I just... Okay, save now. In SynthEdit, you can't really undo. That's another reason you gotta save 24/7 and have backups. Because if you delete something, you literally can't click Control-Z. Like, you can, but it's most likely gonna be buggy. Okay, so I have a random rectangle here. Don't need that shit. That works good. Okay, I think we're optimized. Looks like everything's working fine. Save it. Alright, we're fucking back in business. Minimalizing down, getting rid of all the junk we don't need. Another random junk. Delete. Oh fuck. Oh yeah, it's gone. Even though that thing still has massive size. I don't fucking get it. Whatever. Okay, select all that. So we have more space. That's what I'm realizing right now. Because I want this bottom to be pretty wide. Oh my gosh. I thought you were a stranger. Let me analyze this plugin right now. Let me see what I could do here. Something's wrong. Something's awfully wrong right now. I want it to be wider. It's fucking crashing again. I gotta connect the colorways real quick. Print connected to the font ARGB. What I'm analyzing though is basically just the flow of the plugin right now. I'm trying to think of like what knobs I'm gonna need, but okay. Fuck the flow. Fuck the analyze. I think what you guys want to see is the actual sounds coming from the plugin. Only problem is I need to fucking connect my MIDI keyboard. I need to find a USB-C though. Oh my god. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna BRB though, just let me fucking get this chord set up. I need a MIDI. Come on. Fuck. So fucking pissed off. I got a MIDI though. Connecting it. I'm gonna plug it in that. I don't give a fuck. Alright. Got the MIDI. Y'all are not ready for what's about to fucking happen. Okay. Save another backup. Backup fucking 12. Turn the volume down. No MIDI. It's literally on right now, you fucking monk. Let's go. Oh my god, I pressed the wrong button again. Okay. Audio. MIDI in, Lumi key. Alright, bet. Jeez, that's loud. Did I just break everyone's ears? Holy shit. Yeah, that's super loud. Why does it sound like that? Holy crap. Okay. Damn, this is already horrific to look at right now. This is absolutely awful. Alright, alright. What can I do right now? I'm just gonna drag. I'm just gonna start moving shit that I'm not gonna explain. Like, I don't need these right now, so I'm just gonna drag them over here. I already saved a backup, so you know what? I'm just gonna fucking delete. Fuck it. Let's try to do the ADSR first, okay? I don't need these sliders anymore. Oh man. Yeah, fuck it. I don't need them right now either. But I'm just gonna invisible them for now, just in case. Because I don't want to fucking connect all these colorways again. It's just so much work. So I'm just gonna disable them for now. And we got our shape here, so let's connect shape ADSR. What does Elena call it? Fucking shape envelope. There we go. DSP. Here we go. So we just have to put the trigger. Just kidding. We put the gate right here. And then we get our shape. Yikes. Please tell me she has an example project. What did she do again? Oh my goodness. So we just have to use a patch memory blob. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm just gonna steal her fucking schematic right now. So we just put the value. Disable that. So we put the value here. And then we put this thing into interpolation choice. And then we fucking delete that, put the reset here. And then this thing we don't need anymore. Fuck it. Okay. And we're gonna put all this. We're gonna click more containerized selection. So now that's all in a fucking its own world and we don't gotta worry about it. Okay, yeah, it's still working good. Aw, shit. Only problem is we gotta link this thing. Signal out, VCA. What is this connected to? Oh, it's already fucking connected to an oscillator. So it's kind of doing a lot of the work for me. I have an idea, a synth, but what if it's water? Layers of convolver reverbs. Already sounds like lag, but let's keep going. Responding to an oscillator with a wavetable shape. Okay. That's actually a good idea. But anything in using reverbs or convolvers is just gonna add latency, unless it's like there's some genius way to fucking like have it as an algorithm or something, or predictable, which I don't know yet. Let me see if I search convolver. Has anyone dropped anything in SynthEdit yet? There's short convolver. We can use an IR. I mean, it literally takes in, will it take in a shape? No, because this is DSP. There's definitely a way though. I could experiment with that. It definitely could be possible though. Is this program worth the learning curve? In my opinion, heck yeah, because it's really, I mean shit, I've been using programs like this for maybe 2 years now. So I definitely have a lot more experience. Like when you first started, is definitely like, what the bleep am I doing? But now I feel pretty good. Okay, I'm just analyzing again what they're doing. So they already have a VCA, which is basically like I can't even explain it. This is the volume. They have their oscillator here. So I'm taking the pitch out, and I'm gonna take the gate out. So I'm gonna delete this. Let me make all these look fucking proper. Okay, I guess you can't size all 3 of them. Okay, boom. Got that nice. Where the heck did it go? Oh, there's another button. All the way down here. I need to make these skinnier too. They're just taking up way too much fucking space. Two. Does that work? Sorta. I put that under though. So we got the ADSR. Underneath we got some customization. Let's drag all these puppies over here. Alright, we're looking good. Keep it cooking. What is this no node thing? Let's do 3. What is that knob supposed to fucking do? It does nothing. Oh, it's the duration. Okay. Alright, well, if you didn't understand anything I was doing right now, don't worry. We got waveform out, audio out. Oh, this is straight. Let's just send it out here. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna link the pitch. So this is coming from our MIDI. The pitch is basically what note you're pressing on your MIDI keyboard. So we're linking that to our oscillator right there. And then we're linking, what is it, gate? This gate is going to the ADSR. So that basically is the trigger. So when you actually press it. So we got the trigger for the pressing, and then we got the pitch so that it identifies the note. Now we have our audio out, so we're gonna send that. Where are we gonna send that? Right here, signal. And I wanna fucking delete this, but I'm just trying to see, where is it even? Oh. Oscillator 2 pitch. Wait, what am I sending this into? So we got oh my gosh. Let me send the pitch right here. Alright, I'm just gonna fucking delete this and hope for the best. And I'm also just, fuck it, I'm deleting this too. Let's see. I think it's working. Something's wrong though. It's like rising. What the fuck? Oh, is it because I have an LFO on it? Is that what's fucking happening right now? LFO. Turn this fucking LFO off right now, please. Zero. I swear I have this LFO working right now. I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh my gosh. Use Dream Eater. What the fuck is Dream Eater? Dream Eater plugin by Freak Show Industries. Oh, I don't think I ever used this one. Multi-delay. Let me crack open beer number 2. I thought it was gonna be a short live stream today, but I'm kind of vibing right now. I feel like we can get some good progress. I am really annoyed about this LFO though. I somehow don't know how to fucking control it. I don't even know if it's working either. Aw, shit. I just realized another horrible fucking thing. It's just so scuffed. This shape editor. Because it has polyphony controls already linked. I don't fucking want that. Why is it rising? I did something wrong. Fuck. I know what I did wrong. Nope. Let me see exactly how they did it again, because I know one thing that I think I fucked up on. Reset value. I mean, I laid it out like them. So that's not wrong. Let me open up another project file. We're just gonna test and see how theirs sounds, and see if I'm doing something wrong. So yeah, theirs is working fine. Where the fuck did I go wrong? Did I delete something that important? Trying to see real quick. Got the MIDI. I'm about to break something right now. Gotta delete all that. Oh, I know what the fuck is wrong right now. It's because I have this other ADSR already connected. Okay, so we're gonna delete that then. Fuck it. Goodbye. Did nothing. It's driving me over the edge. Okay, it's working now. Let's fucking go! Oh my gosh. I just had to edit it inside the plugin, I guess, on the actual GUI. Oh my gosh! Oh man, I'm happy right now. It works fucking good. This is the release time, so that makes it 0. That's literally all you fucking need for a plugin. I mean, it would be nice to have... Let me see actually how this even works. How come I can edit the release but not the fucking... Oh, it's because it's literally attached. But sustain node, what's connected to that? Value out. That only works because I have a knob connected to it. Okay, I'm not gonna get too in depth right now. I was just wondering why we could edit the release time but not the attack. But I guess it's just built into the module. So I'm not gonna worry about that too much. Let me test. Oh my goodness. Let me test an attack. Okay, that's gonna drive me insane too. Move to front. Okay. Alright, yeah, that works too. You can't hear my screen share? Okay, I turned it up. Now you can hear it. Well, you should be able to, I hope. Oh my god. No, I can't hear shit. Monitoring. That should work. It's loud. No? That's gotta be a bug. Oh, I know why. I know the fucking issue now. Properties. Okay, nah. It literally says it's picking up, so. Eesh. I'm really not too sure about that. That's gonna drive me nutty though. If I put mono. Will any of this fucking work? Not even the music is working. I'll try to fix it for like one more minute. If not, then I'm fucking don't care. Come on. It literally. I blame OBS for being shit program. I got the synth working though. Oh no. Alright, well, shit. I think we're gonna. Let me see settings. Please don't leak anything. Does that work? Oh fuck. That definitely not right. Okay, I know what I can do though. Interface is working. Oh my god, alright, whatever. I'm sorry, chat. Spam L in the chat. I don't know why I thought it was working this whole time. Alright. Wait, that works. Okay, I fucking fixed it. Thank gosh. Alright, we're back in business, bitch. So, this is the sound you've been missing out on the whole time. Now, if you can see, we got an oscillator right here. And that's what's creating our sound, but we got our oscillator right here, actually. So, how do we turn this shape into an oscillator? That's what we're gonna figure out right now. Oscillator. Okay, fuck me. I figured out how to do it, I think. Let me see. Pitch. Oh my goodness. I messed up. Big time. Shape oscillator. Okay, that's what we needed. That's what I flippin' needed. So we just send the output. So I already have the fucking... That's for the... Hold up. Okay, yeah. This is the oscillator, and then this is the little extra connections for the oscillator. So we just gotta connect some things right here. Thankfully, Elena already had a prefab made of like all the little things that you have to connect. So yeah, we already got our pitch and output shape and all that. Is it working then? Shit. This might actually be working already. Let me just connect it. We got output down here. Put it in. Then we got pitch. We're gonna connect it. We're gonna delete that. So we're gonna put the output here. Pitch. I don't remember fucking where. Let's pretend like that works. And it's not. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Fuck. Okay. Give me 1 second. Oh, my brain's just hurting right now because of all the fucking connections on the screen. It's just a lot. It's just overwhelming. Okay, so we already have the shape and everything connected. Yeah, I'm pressing the keyboard right now. Nothing's coming out. Okay, so let me label these out real quick. That's the LFO. And then this is the OSC. Let me see how they do it. So they have the output going out, the pitch going out. So I think I gotta connect the pitch over here. Connect that. Oh fuck, wrong one. Oh fuck. Yeah, this is fucked. This is fucked. Okay, we're gonna put the ADSR here. If I get this working, I deserve a fucking medal. This is disgustingly complicated right now. Smoke weed every day, bruh. Oh man. I'm literally gonna break down if I can't figure this out. It's so simple, it's just fucking ugh. Delete the connections. I'm resetting. Let me just see if I got fucking sound coming out right now. Output. Just send it to the fucking... Okay, we got sound. Now we need pitch. Connect MIDI right here. Boom. Okay. That's all we fucking needed. We'll do sync too. Actually, I'm not gonna worry about sync right now. Fuck that. Let me see now. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry for blowing your eardrum out. I got the pitch working though. Oh my god, I'm connecting it to the wrong fucking... I need to connect it to my oscillator instead. Boom and boom. Sorry, watch out. Okay. Alright, we're back. Now let me connect this. Jeez. Shape goes here. Oh my gosh, I ruined it again. I need to re-look at how they mapped out everything. So we're gonna open a new project. Envelope. So where do they put the oscillator here? Oscillator here. The oscillator just goes into the VCA signal. That's literally fucking it. So VCA signal. Fuck all these connections that I made. That don't need. That I kinda need. We just need to put signal. And we can put volume too. Fuck it, whatever. Signal, connect that to our output. Jesus Christ, it's so fucking loud. Why is the volume not working now? Delete. I want to turn the synth back on, but I know it's gonna be so fucking loud. Let's turn the volume down. Does that work? Okay, we're back. Now if I edit this. Okay, we got it fucking working. Let's go. Alright, y'all. Pure luck or pure skill, I don't fucking know at this point, but it's working. So we got our drawable ADSR, drawable fucking oscillator, all created live using Elena modules and whatever the fuck, Davidson modules and help, Max help. Everyone join the SynthEdit Discord for real. It's literally just a couple people only that talk all the time, but we are cooking, I promise you. Oh my goodness, I'm so fucking happy. I'm gonna make another backup. Backup 11, just kidding. Backup 12, what am I on now? 13, holy shit. Backup 13. Oh, you don't understand how like insane that makes me feel right now. Let me check my DMs real quick on my phone though, because I was messaging Davidson for help. No, he is not. I mean, he got back to me, but I still don't get it. I don't get how to use the filter. Reso is like resonance. Here, let me see this real quick. Delete that. Holy shit, I cannot believe what is happening right now. I genuinely am so fucking hyped over this drawable oscillator in ADSR. Okay, but where's the filter at? Here we go. So we said Q is like the filter frequency, or wait, fuck. So you scale them to 0 to 1 on the filter settings. Okay, yeah, I don't know, Davidson. You got me fucked up. So we're not gonna do the filter for today, even though I really want to. I just don't get it yet. So next stream I'll show you guys how we connect the filter, the Davidson filter specifically. I think it's purely visual based because we're still using the SV filter. I just have to link them together. The problem is, look at this, it's not like a simple one-in-one connection. We gotta have some conversions, I'm pretty sure, and some other modules thrown in. Just like the Elena ones where you have all these fucking blobs and stuff, strings. I'm just not sure the exact pattern. That's why I really like when people make prefabs of the construction instead of just putting the module out, because when you have those extra steps needed, it's like, how the heck are you supposed to know what to do? But we have an LFO, which we can try to get worked on, but before we even attempt that, because I know it's gonna be kind of annoying probably, I do want to show you guys the little the preset stuff that I added. It's technically working. I just added a simple S to list. This is from Sasha Modules. This is free to use. I'm pretty sure that's what I did. Actually, maybe it's not that. Maybe it's the Elena preset. Yeah, no, I used the Elena preset. Elena just came through with these fucking modules. These are amazing. But yeah, I deleted a couple that I don't need. They're basically just like the categories, the patches as a scroll bar. You can have the preset settings, so like loading presets. So here you go. This is to name them, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, you can name your preset or category, whatever. This one's connected to preset category, so that's why I changed it. This one's connected to the preset name now, so now the preset went from patch 01 to sup because we connected the name there. So that's kind of gonna be in the future as well. I'm probably gonna make a pop-up menu so that you can change, you know, all the different, you know, customizations, but I temporarily just added the fucking little, oh no, I broke it right now. Damn it. This is why we save backups. Please tell me it's gonna work. Yeah. So what I added originally was this scrollable patch selector instead of like a drop down menu. I'm still gonna, you know, we're gonna dial it down in the future, but I'm just trying to get a working prototype out that has all these features, and then of course refine it down, because there's this secret button right here that you don't even know what it's gonna do, but that's what's gonna take this plugin from just a regular Serum ripoff to the next level. So that's gonna come later down the line. But yeah, so we got our oscillator made this episode, we got our ADSR. Now let's just attempt to get this LFO connected. So where do we have it? We got it over here. Should be working already. Let's turn the volume down. Let's connect the output to the sound out. Don't hear anything going on. Let's I think something's happening. I think I hear a really low bass frequency, but I can't tell. Let's attach a knob to the pitch. We're just gonna do a test. Yeah. So yeah, the LFO's working actually. Let me see where I have my other LFO at. If you guys remember from the last episode, I added like a little mini matrix thing, which I also kind of revamped. Like I made it look, this is it right here, the LFO section. Made it look kind of decent with these like horizontal sliders, but doesn't really make sense, and it's kind of outdated. Like look, I'm using their waveform system, which we don't even need anymore since we have a drawable ADSR. I don't even know what that thing does. I kind of want to just get rid of all of it, but I'm not going to. here's what we have though. This is LFO 1. So yeah, we don't need this waveform selector. Pitch. Is that actually? So we're gonna call that LFO speed. Because pitch is basically how fast it's oscillating. The lower it oscillates, the slower it's gonna be. The higher, the faster, more frequencies. So that's why we got that. And then we're actually gonna connect the pitch down here. Where is my LFO? We're gonna connect the pitch to that. And then we're gonna put the audio out to right here, because that's where LFO 1 was. And now that old LFO should be working right here. We connect it to oscillator 1 pitch though. Don't hear it working. That sucks. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to redo the LFO section, honestly, just because it's so fucking... I can't even comprehend what's going on, but I'm gonna take that as a W for the day. We know it's working, we just gotta basically connect it and then crash. I mean, yeah, we're crashing, fuck it, it's over. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little progress video though. I have been working on this plugin a decent amount, as you can see, but it's just... it's not the most fun to work on plugins, to be honest. Mainly because just you have to use a lot of your brain and you have to be focused. It's not really something you can just... like the GUI you can work on, kind of alt-tab, like that's kind of what I was doing these last couple days, but all the connections I was showing you right now and all that stuff, it just... really, you gotta be locked in, and that's why it's kind of not my favorite. I kind of like to just work on a bunch of things at a time, not just like laser in always. But we made some good forward movement, and I'm fucking... I would drop a new updated release, but it's still kind of not usable right now, so... until next time. Yeah, comment what you think I should add or your thoughts. Chase your flippin' dreams.